Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna film a purple smoky look on this beautiful palette here. This is the new McGrath Rose palette. Well, this is new to me only because I've never owned anything from her line. Her makeup is amazing. I would say the quality of these is pretty close to the Natasha Denota palettes. Very creamy, very pigmented, very soft. I actually dug my finger in this one a little too hard. Actually, it was my thumb because all my fingers were swatched with these colors and I was like, let me try this one. And I straight pushed it and maybe pushed a little too hard. It's all over my pants. I try to pack it back in. You can't. It just crumbled and it's all over the place. So I tried to save whatever I can. I'm just gonna keep this plastic sheet over here so it doesn't get everywhere. Such a beautiful palette. So I wanted to film this quick video, nothing special, kind of chit-chatting about why I've been MIA. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys want to see me film this look, trying out some new makeup and just hanging out with me, then please keep on watching. Does anyone else just pick all the marshmallows out in one scoop like this? Good morning. Say hi. Good morning, world. Do 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 do. I think he hates that. And my breakfast is done. I literally just, oh, are they stale? So good morning, guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today, I just felt like filming. I haven't filmed, I don't know. You know what, guys? I really don't know what it is. This year has just, oh, my battery's dying. Great. This is not going well because my battery's dying. But let me just tell you real quickly. This year has been really rough. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been kind of unmotivated. I don't know what it is. I just feel, I wouldn't want to say I feel discouraged. I just don't feel as motivated and into the videos and my content lately. I don't know what it is. I mean, it could be a big factor that my grandma passed away this January that got me off track. I know this year has been rough for many of us. I lost my grandmother, and then I hear family members losing their grandparents and just all these things. So with that happened, it just kind of got me off track on things and I don't know what it is. It's just, it's oh, I got a new tattoo and this is a tattoo for my grandmother. I just got the word love. It's still kind of healing, so it's like peeling-ish, but this yellow butterfly is what reminds me of her, and yeah, so I got this for her. This was painful, I'm not gonna lie. It was tolerable, the pain, but once he started dragging that pen, because it was the cursive writing, it just was like, let go of that pen. And once he was shading this yellow part of the butterfly, it kind of was like, eh. So anyways, I thought they were gonna put some kind of numbing cream or something like how people do for their eyebrows before, but no. So I'm really trying to get back in the groove of things, trying to get back into filming more videos, better content, you know, trying to have some giveaways and just trying to make it more fun. I don't know what it is, but I just was stuck in a rut. Sorry, baby. Oh, I hit you in the face. I'm so sorry. So this morning I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film a video. I feel positive. I feel motivated today. I bought some new makeup that I haven't opened yet. I haven't tried them before. Brand new products, first timers. So I thought let's just go ahead and film something because I'm feeling okay today. So today I want to try a purple eye look. Bought this new palette. This is the McGrath palette here. This is the Rose palette. I don't own anything from her. I know her shadows are very nice. I mean, take a look at this package. It's so cute. This packaging, it's like a little manila envelope, so it's like a package. How do you, oh, okay, it's taped. I heard lots of good things about this brand. She is a great makeup artist. I don't own anything from her. Oh my god, really? I know, Tofu. Okay, finally. So let's take a look at this together. Is there a name for this palette? It's just PM McGrath Labs Mothership Subversive Rose. Oh, oh, nice magnetic little flap here. Nice. Oh, it has a mirror. That's actually nice. So the colors of this is Pale Fire, Purple Rain, Gold Nectar. Ew, what's wrong with this palette? Paranormal, Rose Risky, and Euphoria. I don't know if there's something wrong with this guy, but look at this. It's like, here, the mirror's bought. It's like little bumpies there. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna try this out today because, again, I've never used this. I've only swatched this and it was really nice. It's really creamy. I would say just by swatching it, the texture of it is like the Natasha Denona. Very creamy, application, non-streaky. It's amazing. You know, you pay for what you get. As always, I'm gonna start off with the brows. I'm gonna use a brand new product. This is by Morphe. It's a brow pencil. This is their micro brow pencil in the color Almond and Mocha. I bought 2 colors just because sometimes I like to mix them, and also because of my new hair color. I wasn't sure which one would be the best one for me. I guess not that one. Let's go ahead and try out the color. Let's go ahead and try out the color Morphe. Duh. All right, it has a nice thin spoolie at the end, which is nice. It's pretty firm. Nice. And this is the color. So the Mocha's a little bit warmer, which is really pretty. I think it's probably too warm for me. So let's pick up Almond. So this is the color Almond. I believe Almond's a little bit darker. I think I got the wrong colors. These colors will not work for me. They're too warm, but we're gonna try it anyways. I don't know how I feel about these thin pencils, but I just really wanted to try something new. And this is, yep. This color is like way too light for me. It's like I got a eyebrow tattoo that faded really bad. Yeah, that lighting in that store, Just for fun, I want to try this guy. Yeah, look at my eyebrows, dude. They look orange. Nope. I guess we're gonna have to donate those colors to my kit because it doesn't work for me. So I'm just gonna go back to my oldie but goodie. I actually don't know when I'm gonna get over these dark brows trend. I mean, I've always liked my brows darker. I don't know why. Maybe because I don't have much hair, so I feel like I have to color it in. My roots actually still look pretty dark, but in the sun, it actually faded a lot. I think a lot of that gloss faded, so it's not as dark, but it is becoming more warm. In my transition of my ombre to my silver or my gray ends, it's fading too. Guess it's gonna be okay for the summer weddings that I'm attending because I do plan to wear this coral jumpsuit, and with this hair, it's like super dark. So I'm glad it's somewhat fading and becoming more warm looking. I do miss that blonde look though. How many of you out there like lash extensions? Actually haven't worn any makeup for almost like 2 weeks because when I was in Hawaii, I didn't wear any makeup or lashes. And it was so funny because I packed like everything with me, but I did not wear anything but just sunscreen and sunscreen lip balm, which is a good thing because it's so chill there. I just thought that the places we were going to required us to like dress up or something. So, you know, and I never know. I haven't been to Hawaii in so long, but I guess I should have known it's like so chill. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is I didn't get to wear lashes lately, and I've just been wearing mascara with primer because I've been using that lash serum by Grande Lashes. And I kid you not, it actually does work. It just took a while for me to realize that it actually worked really well, and comparing how my eyelashes look now versus then. I stopped using it for this past, I believe, month because I noticed I've been getting a lot of discoloration around here and extra like hair growing here. It's so weird. It actually did work, and I just been using primer with mascara, which is amazing. But I wonder how long this is gonna stay like this. I feel like this side of my lashes are so much longer than this side. And again, this side of my eyebrows has more hair than here, so maybe that is why. I don't know. I'm probably gonna wear some lashes today with this look. I'm not too sure yet. I wonder if I still have skills putting on lashes because it's been a while. But anyways, talking about lashes, I was considering doing lash extensions on the side. I'm not too sure yet. I'm thinking about it. It's a pretty expensive course, but if I do become a lash tech, I do want to go with the lady that created Extreme Lashes. I'm very thankful to have met her. I've actually done her hair and makeup quite a few times when she comes down to San Francisco for the Salesforce meetings that she attends and is a keynote speaker to. How my eyebrows look today? Legit? Anyways, I would want to learn from her because she's offered me to take the classes and she's amazing. If you guys haven't heard of Extreme Lashes, you guys should check it out. She's based in Texas, actually. It offers courses here in many places. Just thought I'd put that out there. I love doing hair and makeup for weddings, but sometimes I'm like, I want to try something new. I don't feel challenged. So I was thinking about doing lashes on the side. I actually was thinking about doing microblading. I think it's too much liability for me. And plus, you can't do it at home. You have to have a studio or a place. So we're gonna start off with these shadows here. Look how pretty these are. I don't know what to start off with. I'm gonna swatch this color here. This color is Euphoria. Wow, look how pretty that is. Let's try this matte color purple. Oops, a little streaky there. Most mattes are kind of like that type of texture. It's really weird. Oh my god, look how pigmented this is. So this one here, of course I swatch over my knuckles like I always do. This color here is Paranormal. The one I swatched up on top is called Purple Rain. Let's try this peach color. Ooh, not enough on my hand. This is a really peachy coral that has like a pinky undertone. Oh shoot. Oh my god. I just tried to swatch this gold and my freaking thumb dug in there. Guess I'm just gonna have to swatch it right here. So pretty. Dang it, I can't believe my whole freaking thumb went in there. Like, look at this. I pushed it back a little bit. We don't have a transition color in that palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my bronzer from my Wet n Wild contouring palette, which I really, really love. I'm just gonna put this right at the crease. Kind of bring it all the way around. Going in with that color Paranormal. I'm just gonna start at the outer crease here and just kind of blend it. And by the way, these palettes are all on sale. Not the large palettes. This is the 6-pan. And I believe it comes in a warm, cool, or neutrals, and then of course this rose color. I don't know the exact names. I can put the link down below for you guys. I believe it's a Memorial Day sale, so I hope it's still on sale for you guys. I think online was like all sold out, so you may have to figure out which local Sephora has this. And the reason why I bought this palette is because I don't have purples. I actually was on the fence about getting the Natasha Denona purple palette a while back, but it just wasn't something I was committed to, so I didn't buy it. I also have a lot of warms, cool palettes, and just a variety of different types of colors in one palette, but I don't have purple, so that is why I actually ended up getting this and not knowing it was on sale until one of my friends told me, so thank you. This Purple Rain color is something I really want to try. I think I'm gonna put that on my lids. Let me see how that looks like first on my hand before I go crazy. So Purple Rain, and then I put the Euphoria on top. I think that's pretty. So I'm taking a flat shadow brush, packing that Purple Rain on my lids. I'm also very, very slow at my videos. I don't have anything posted up right now. I think the last video was my Hawaii snack and my Sephora haul. I still haven't even edited Hawaii trip. I know, I'm so slow. Wedding season has kicked in, slowly getting all the footages and clips together, but it's a lot of work and time to sit there. I've been trying to just do a little bit every day, and I am working on that, so please stay tuned and please be patient. Again, I was just a little stuck in a rut too. Need some positive vibes here, guys. I'm gonna get this buffing brush going on and just kind of softly diffuse this line. So going back in with that Paranormal color, just really doing circular motions at the crease that has like a softer transition. And I'm kind of going into the center of my nose here. So I'm basically just contouring here with whatever's left over on the brush. But I'm not trying to do too much because I still have to do my foundation. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Let's see what I have going on here. It's so funny, even my lower lashes are actually growing from the serum. Oh, look at my lashes. Whoa, they actually covered the word Shuramura before they used to be right at the edge. I'm gonna do a combination of the Givenchy primer and the Kush mascara. And again, using a fiber bristle on my type of lashes works the best. Going in with my Kaja concealer. I love this stuff. It makes my skin so smooth. I go in with this Hourglass Veil foundation. Since I got slightly tanned, I wonder if this is gonna be a good color for me. I used to be this color a while ago. Well, let's see. This foundation's so nice. It's like a hydrating foundation, dewy, but not sparkly. Foundation has like serum built into this, but actually has a lot of skincare benefits to it, but I love this. Oil-free, this is called the Veil Fluid Foundation. I'm in the color 4 Beige if you guys are curious to know. I do look a little tan. Go back in with that Purple Rain and pack a little bit more just at the lash line. I'd be careful at this point because I have my foundation base on already. I always have to really tap out the excess just to make sure it doesn't fall on my face. Back in with that Paranormal color and again just kind of softly blending it out. Soft transition. You don't get that too often. Wow, these shadows actually blend really nice. Again, this is my first time using these. They're very pigmented. I do like how it does have a soft transition. Didn't think I was gonna ever get that. You know, some people just have that smooth eyelid. Not me. All right, so in going back in with that same color, we're just going to rim the lower lash line. Going in with that blending brush, poking my eyes because it hurts. In with that Pale Fire, we're just going to highlight the inner eyes. Ooh, not so peachy no more. It's really pinky corally now. This is nice. It has like an iridescent color to it. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this color right at my brow bone. I think that's pretty. Take that highlighting powder. Just gonna apply just a little bit under my eyes to brighten. Was planning to use this, but I think I should stick with the pink. Go in with my Givenchy pink highlighter. Look does need some lashes, so I'm gonna get some lashes. Sorry, I'm not gonna lie, I had to do the lashes off camera just because I haven't worn lashes in so long. It was taking forever. And yeah, there's just like not even. Look at this. He's like, hurry up, mama. All right, I'm gonna tight line my eye. For the lips, I'm gonna use my NYX Buttercream. It's called Butter Gloss. This color is in Tiramisu, one of my ultimate favorite colors. So the last thing I'm going to do is fix my hair. It just became a pony. So I basically just teased up this tail a little bit to try to make it fuller looking, but we all know we don't got that much hair. The Joico Beach Shake. This is good for medium to finer hair. And I just shake it up and just kind of spritz it in my roots. It gave me some nice volume, especially around the hairline, so it's not so flat, but I did kind of tame down the little hair. This is my final look using the Pat McGrath Rose Palette. Again, this was on sale. I'm gonna go ahead and link this down below for you guys. Hopefully this is still on sale for you. This was $27.50, which is such a good steal. Her whole makeup line and collection is so amazing. This is my first time getting my hands on this. I'm so happy that I bought this, not only because it's on sale, but because it's a palette that was catered to mostly purples and pinky colors, and with a traditional gold color which complements these colors. Most of the palettes I have at home is more neutrals, nudes, so I'm happy I got this because this is something I don't have. I'm gonna be honest, it's really hard to not buy the makeups that you already have. You just gravitate to those colors, so you actually want to buy those. I had to be really firm with myself when purchasing this because I was like, should I get that gold color? It's really pretty. Should I get the nude? I was like, you know what, Alicia? Purple is the way to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this purple smoky look. Again, thanks again for watching and being patient with me, and I appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Don't forget, I do have a summer giveaway that I will be announcing shortly. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!